Welcome to the North Georgia mountains. Today I am taking you to one of the most spectacular views Dwayne and I have ever laid eyes on, Bell Mountain. Just outside of downtown Hiawassee, this scenic summit invites you to trade in the hustle and bustle for sweeping mountain views, lake reflections, and a little bit of history. Despite Dwayne and I both growing up in this area, we had actually never been to Bell Mountain, so I went by myself one day, took the drone out, flew the drone, got some unreal footage, and then could not wait to get home and show Dwayne all that I saw that evening. As soon as I showed it to him, we decided that we needed to make a trek together up to Bell Mountain so that he too could see these spectacular views.
What do you think about Bell Mountain?
I'm impressed.
From the heart of Hiawassee's town square, Bell Mountain is only around 5 miles away. It's a quick drive from downtown, however, you do feel like you're stepping into an alternate universe once you reach the top. I will say, even though the route is short, it is incredibly steep. However, it is paved, so don't let that deter you from giving this place a visit. For most people, once you get through the rough curves and the steepness, it is worth it, believe me when I say that. Bell Mountain rises up to an elevation of around 3,424 feet above sea level, and it spans an 18-acre area that was donated to Towns County, Georgia by a man named Hal Herron. Before Hal Herron got a hold of this particular property, a couple of guys from North Carolina had come here in the 1960s and decided to use it as a mining area. They were mining for quartzite and silica, but when they did, unfortunately, it scalped the mountains and the entire venture truly failed. The company declared that there was no market here for silica, and that is when Hal Herron stepped in and purchased the property to prevent it from further exploitation. Finally, on February 18, 2016, the summit was officially dedicated as Bell Mountain Park and Historical Site. It now has a paved road, parking, and observation decks. When you get to the top, you are greeted with a 360-degree panoramic view of this area. You can see Lake Chatuge, the charming town of Hiawassee, and the rolling hills of the Blue Ridge Mountains, including Brasstown Bald, which is the highest peak in all of Georgia.
What do you think about Bell Mountain?
I'm impressed.
I will do a 360. There's the parking lot. And you said we think that this is Brasstown Bald. Right there. I'm going to zoom in on it. The little tower on the top of it. It may be. I'll do a 360. I just wish people wouldn't graffiti, but climb up these steps. You can see though why when I was by myself I didn't really want to climb to the top of the steps.
Yeah.
I waited till you were with me.
When we were here, we decided to stay long enough to catch a sunset, and boy were we greeted with a beautiful one. If you do decide to visit near sunrise or sunset, expect a magical experience because it is going to be one that you're not going to forget. Unfortunately, for years now, Bell Mountain has also become known for something that is far less inspiring: layers upon layers of graffiti. Names, initials, symbols, and messages stacked on top of each other like a chaotic mural. Some people see it as a tradition and a way to leave their mark. But here's the truth: the mountain was not meant to be a canvas. These rocks are part of a fragile ecosystem and a geological formation that is millions of years old. When someone sprays a can of paint here, it doesn't just wash away. It seeps into the stone as well as the soil. It scars the landscape. It also invites more vandalism, and what started as one person's art has turned into a cycle of destruction. It doesn't only change the mountain, it changes the experience for everyone who visits as well. People come here to soak in the view, to feel connected with nature, and to escape the noise of everyday life. But instead, they are greeted with neon paint, crude messages, and the feeling that the mountain has been disrespected. What many visitors don't realize is that graffiti on public land is actually illegal. Cleaning it up costs the county time and money that could have instead gone toward maintaining hiking trails, protecting wildlife, or improving other outdoor recreation activities. People work very hard to preserve places like this, but they are constantly fighting an uphill battle. Remember when you're here to leave no trace. Leaving no trace means to respect the land as well as the experience for others who come after us. You don't have to write your name on a mountain to be a part of its story. Just being here, taking in the view, and appreciating its beauty is enough. So if you do visit Bell Mountain or any natural place, enjoy it, photograph it, share it, but leave it as you found it. Let the mountain speak for itself and help protect one of Georgia's most incredible views for years to come. Bell Mountain is actually more than just a tourist stop. It's a testament to preservation. Even though it's scarred from mining ambitions, it has been transformed into a stunning, peaceful overlook for everybody to enjoy thanks to thoughtful stewardship. It shows how local heritage, community action, and respect for nature can revive a place, turning a scarred area into a story. Whether you're a local or somebody who's traveling to this area to check it out, it does offer a window into the soul of North Georgia and gives you a place to reflect, escape, and remember how magnificent the world can be that God created for us when we just take a moment to stop and look around. Next time you find yourself in Hiawassee, Georgia, be sure to take that short and steep drive up Shake Rag Road, climb those steps, stand on the deck, and take it all in. It's not just another pretty overlook. According to my husband, he says he thinks it's the prettiest view he has ever seen in the great state of Georgia. Thanks you guys for watching. If you love exploring the outdoors, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and share button on this video and our channel. And as always, may God so richly bless you.